The Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue, with a height of 182 meters, 597 feet, located in the state of Gujarat, India. It depicts Indian statesman and independence activist Vallabhbhai Patel, 1875 to 1950, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India and an adherent of Mahatma Gandhi. Patel was highly respected for his leadership in uniting 562 princely states of India to form the single Union of India. The statue is located in Gujarat on the Narmada River in the Kevadia colony, facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam 100 kilometers, 62 miles, southeast of the city of Vadodara. The project was first announced in 2010, and construction started in October 2013 by Indian company Larsen & Toubro, with a total construction cost of 2,700 crore, $422 million. It was designed by Indian sculptor Ramvi Sutar and was inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, on October 31, 2018, the 143rd anniversary of Patel's birth. Narendra Modi announced the project on October 7, 2013 to mark the beginning of his 10th year as the Chief Minister of Gujarat. 7. A society named Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Rashtriya Ekta Trust, SPRIT, was formed under the chairmanship of the Chief Minister of Gujarat, to execute the project. Statue of Unity movement was started in 2013 to collect the iron needed for the statue by asking farmers to donate their used farming instruments. 7-9, by 2016, a total of 135 metric tons of scrap iron had been collected and about 109 tons of it was used to make the foundation of the statue after processing. After studying statues of Patel across the country, a team of historians, artists, and academics chose a design submitted by the Indian sculptor Ramvi Sutar. The Statue of Unity is a larger version of a statue of the leader installed at Ahmedabad International Airport. Commenting on the design, Ram Sutar's son, Anil Sutar explains that, the expression, posture and pose justify the dignity, confidence, iron will as well as kindness that his personality exudes. The head is up, a shawl flung from shoulders and hands are on the side as if he is set to walk. 3 models of the design measuring 3 feet, 0.91 meters, 18 feet, 5.5 meters, and 30 feet, 9.1 meters, were initially created. Once the design of the largest model was approved, a detailed 3D scan was produced which formed the basis for the bronze cladding cast in a foundry in China. Patel's dhoti-clad legs and the use of sandals for footwear rendered the design thinner at the base than at the top, thereby affecting its stability. This was addressed by maintaining a slenderness ratio of 16:19 rather than the customary 8:14 ratio of other tall buildings. 10. The statue is built to withstand winds of up to 180 km per hour, 110 miles per hour, and earthquakes measuring 6.5 on the Richter scale, which are at a depth of 10 km and within a radius of 12 km of the statue. 110. This is aided by the use of two 250-ton tuned mass dampers ensuring maximum stability. The total height of the structure is 240 meters, 790 feet, with a base of 58 meters, 190 feet, and the statue measuring 182 meters, 597 feet. 1. The height of 182 meters was specifically chosen to match the number of seats in the Gujarat Legislative Assembly. The Statue of Unity was built by a public-private partnership model, with most of the money coming from the government of Gujarat. The Gujarat state government had allotted 500 crore, equivalent to 641 crore or $80 million in 2020, for the project in its budget from 2012 to 2015. 1718. In the 2014-15 Union Budget, 200 crore rupees, equivalent to 272 crore or $34 million in 2020, was allocated for the construction of the statue. 1920-21. Funds were also contributed by public sector undertakings under the Corporate Social Responsibility Scheme, a consortium comprising Turner Construction, Michael Graves and Associates and the Meinhardt Group supervised the project. The project took 57 months to complete, 15 months for planning, 40 months for construction and 2 months for handing over by the consortium. 23. The total cost of the project was estimated to be about 2,063 crore, equivalent to 28 billion rupees or $350 million in 2020, by the government. 17. The tender bids for the first phase were invited in October 2013 and were closed in November 2013. Narendra Modi, then serving as the Chief Minister of Gujarat, laid the statue's foundation stone on October 31, 2013, the 138th anniversary of Patel's birth. Indian infrastructure company Larsen & Toubro won the contract on October 27, 2014 for its lowest bid of 2,989 crore. Equivalent to 41 billion rupees or $510 million in 2020, for the design, construction and maintenance of the statue. 27-28. L&T commenced the construction on October 31, 2014. In the first phase of the project, 1,347 crore rupees was earmarked for the main statue, 235 crore rupees for the exhibition hall and convention center, 83 crore rupees for the bridge connecting the memorial to the mainland and 657 crore for the maintenance of the structure for a duration of 15 years after its completion. 27-28. The Sada Bet hillock was flattened from 70 meters to 55 meters to lay the foundation of the statue.
The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue at 182 meters (597 feet). It rises 54 meters (177 feet) higher than the previous record holder, the Spring Temple Buddha in China's Henan Province, 37. The previous tallest statue in India was the 41 meters (135 feet) tall statue of Lord Hanuman at the Paritala Anjaneya temple near Vijayawada in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The statue can be seen within a 7 kilometers (4.3 miles) radius. 10. The monument is constructed on a river island named Sadhu Bet, 3.2 kilometers (2.0 miles) away from and facing the Narmada Dam downstream. 1. The statue and its surroundings occupy more than 2 hectares (4.9 acres, 38), and are surrounded by a 12 kilometers (7.5 miles) long artificial lake formed by the Garudeshwar Weir downstream on the Narmada River. 3910. The statue is divided into 5 zones, of which only 3 are accessible to the public. From its base to the level of Patel's shins is the first zone, which has 3 levels and includes the exhibition area, mezzanine and roof. The first zone also contains a memorial garden and a museum. The second zone reaches up to Patel's thighs, while the third extends up to the viewing gallery at a height of 153 meters. The fourth zone is the maintenance area, while the final zone comprises the head and shoulders of the statue. The museum in the first zone catalogues the life of Sardar Patel and his contributions. An adjoining audiovisual gallery provides a 15-minute-long presentation on Patel and also describes the tribal culture of the state. 10. The concrete towers which form the statue's legs contain 2 elevators each.
Each lift can carry 26 people at a time to the viewing gallery in just over 30 seconds. The gallery is located at a height of 153 meters, 502 feet, and can hold up to 200 people. Over 128,000 tourists visited the statue in the 11 days after its opening to the public on November 1, 2018. 43. The daily average tourist footfall at Statue of Unity during November 2019 reached 15,036, outpacing the Statue of Liberty, which attracts around 10,000 daily visitors on average. 44. It has been included in the Shanghai Cooperation Organization's 8 Wonders of SCO list. 45. In its first year of operation, the Statue of Unity attracted 2,900,000 visitors and collected 82 crore. $11.64 million in ticket revenue. 46. By March 15, 2021, 5 million tourists visited the venue.